your dishes get finished up here. I'm kind of supposed to be the one to wash the dishes. This is, well, my house. I have this business, and I just I go around to people's houses and I wash their dishes.
A business?
I didn't hire you to do anything. You didn't have to hire me. I go around to people's places. I sneak in. What's that gun doing there? That's unusual, isn't it?
Do you own that gun?
No, I am calling the police. No, look, someone is out there to kill you, okay? It's out there, murderous, relentless, ruthless, any R word that ends with less that you could think of, and he is, we need to get rid of this gun right here. I'm not gonna touch it. We're gonna get rid of it, and you need to call the police right now, okay? I'm just gonna dispose of this gun. You go call the police. Wait, why am I supposed to believe you? You just snuck into my house and started washing my dishes. Oh, first of all, you did that. Second of all, there are no dishes in the sink. I washed them all. So, you can just leave if you want. Well, I just actually let me rephrase that. Leave now. You know what Steven calls this? He calls this ball Peter, and he treats it like it's his baby. So I'm a 13-year-old uncle. Catch! Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back.